sell their products not only in their town or country but also in other parts of the world. However, every country and community has its own tradition, beliefs, language, and ways of doing it. That's why as an entrepreneur, it is to practice cultural adaptation, which means adjusting their product or services to match the culture of the people they want to serve. There are two examples of export and import service.
Saan mo nag-export?
Ang export sir, like sa very common nga product sa Philippines is like banana chip and pineapple.
Nasa paingon.
At kung niya sir sa like country or any part of the world.
That is so export. What import? Ikan sa? Natin yung pasunod.
Sa cultural language, natin product na import export sa like country nga. Dili sila ganang sa atong like language, like sa ako kapang or kapis na kayo, na sila sa country, gusto nila ka lang sakto lang, hindi kayo namin gusto kayo lang. Thank you so much. Language concern. Kailangan maalam na ito lang language kung dili lang. Kaya sa ako, Bisaya, Tagalog or English, sa lain country dili ka kasabot sa language. Kailangan na ato maalam ang ilang language para masakto.